It's time to awaken my army. I shall take Kong's crown. Rise! Rise! We have risen! We rise! We march! The island will fall! Advance! Destroy them all! Awaken, my army! Let the darkness consume this land! Your crown belongs to us now! Your time is over, beast. This island and this world belong to me now. We have waited for our arrival, so get ready to become the new world. We have risen! Rise, my mummies! Rise and never! Why? Amulet of Death to destroy everything. We are become made of steel and rock.
What's going on? Help me! Help me! Help!
This is how you will see who has the power. This is the end of the world!
Leave the city! Run!
Get him off the car! We're trapped! We can't move! Somebody help us! Kong, what have they done to you?
He is still breathing. We must help him.
Hold him, you fools! Do not let him escape my grasp!
We must save him.
Stay calm. Don't run. Don't panic. In peace. Never. Don't be afraid. Don't hurt.
Kong. King Kong! They can't beat me!
the hell is this? He destroyed all my mummies! You wanna see real power? You will not get out of here! No power can stop me!
I lost everything. I don't want to get back to darkness again.
I'm lost everything. I don't want to go back to darkness again.